Guys, we're back and we're here for the part 2, I promise. I always keep my promise. Guys. As you see in the other video, if you watch it, I did that book. Oh.
Mainit, no, mainit. Huwag pindot. Huwag pindot. Mainit nga eh. Huwag lang. Huwag pindot. Huwag. Mainit. Mainitan si kuya ko.
Oh no, it's a cylinder. I have hard time with this. No! Oh, never mind.
Alam ko na kung ano ulam natin.
Ano?
Lucky me. Tapos
Sige.
may lalagay sa itlog.
Minsan lang naman na tayo naggaganon. Sige.
Ano?
Sige, minsan lang naman tayo naggaganon.
You want to put
Okay
Lucky
guys,
Me?
I think I'm gonna finish it.
Sige. Ano?
Yeah, I'm such a pro.
What? Hindi mo alam?
No!
You cannot eat naman ano, you cannot eat ano to, yung kinakain ni kuya. Sino?
Okay guys,
You can eat kusino eh.
so we're gonna play another game.
Kumakain ka tusino? Kumakain ka tusino, lab? Ang galing naman. Also chicken? Yan yung you cannot eat chicken eh.
Dede!
Sila hindi kumakain ng chicken eh.
Nay, nayo, na.